Hello everyone, I'm back with a new topic that is the revenue management through housekeeping. Before starting this, we need to understand what basically the revenue management is. Revenue management is a practice based around using data and analytics to anticipate demand, optimize product availability, and select the right pricing strategy in order to generate the best possible financial result. Within the hotel industry, it is the best to think about the revenue management using the various definition. Now let's discuss why the revenue management is important. For hotel owners and others in hospitality, revenue management is an important concept because of the nature of the industry. With hotels, the rates vary and different customers are willing to pay the different prices for the same product, that is, the hotel room, depending on when they need it, when they make the booking, and when they use which channel they use. At the same time, hotels only have a limited number of hotel rooms to allocate to guests at any one time. Therefore, in order to maximize the revenue and financial results, hotels need to make the right decisions in terms of pricing and distribution, ensuring they sell as many hotel rooms as possible at the best possible price. As a general rule, the hotels can charge more money when there is strong demand for hotel rooms, but will need to charge less at times of low demand as well. Anticipating the level of demand and optimizing the pricing require careful analysis. Hotels are faced with two main choices. The first is to hire a full time revenue manager to work internally. This usually also requires significant investments in technology to allow them to perform the role effectively. The second involves outsourcing the revenue management to a third party which specializes in the area and work on demand. The large hotel chain might have the financial capabilities to hire a full time revenue manager and invest in technology, although it is not always necessary or financially prudent. However, for the independent hotel owners, the budget for hiring and retaining the skilled revenue manager and investing in technology may not be there. Let's now discuss what are the various duties and responsibility of the revenue manager. To accomplish their primary goal of maximizing the revenue for a hotel or other establishments within the hospitality industry, the revenue manager must complete several tasks in reviewing several job listing and other sources of this profession. Core duties and responsibilities of the revenue manager are: create the pricing strategy. A major function of the revenue manager is to determine and set room rates and other prices in order to keep the hotels competitive and earn revenue. This aspect of the job might include assisting in creating the promotional campaigns in order to generate the business, work with front desk personnel to track the customer trends and reservations, and communicate with sales team to gather sales figure. The revenue manager will also forecast further demand and the pricing trends. The other is conduct the competition analysis in order to determine competitive prices to ensure increased reservation and more revenue. The revenue manager will periodically evaluate the prices of their competition. They will also analyze economic trends to determine the demand for hotel reservations based on tourism and business travels. Track the hotel revenue. The revenue manager will work with various departments within a hotel to create a budget and use accounting processes to determine the hotel's revenue after expenditures. They will report financial information to general managers and make suggestions for increasing the revenue through changes in pricing and efforts in generating the more business of the hotel. Now, let's discuss the revenue management through housekeeping. The paradigm shifts are essential to get a fresh and nascent out of the box perspective. Traditionally, the revenue or yield management has been the prerogative of front office. However, the housekeeping department is a part of the back of the house, but the role of the housekeeper is undeniably of paramount importance. All the tactics applied by hotels to maximize the revenues are aimed at increasing ADR and occupancy. A high contribution margin would only result in the cost are at their least and occupancy at its maximum. And both such conditions can only happen if the housekeeping optimizes its operations. Here are some ways through which the revenue management can be achieved by the housekeeping department. First, the reducing marginal costs. Major revenue share for the hotel comes from the rooms division. Rooms are an extremely perishable product and the upkeep is of much significance. Housekeeping constitutes about 20 to 25% of the cost for rooms division. If operations are optimized, costs like unused inventory, guest and cleaning supplies, laundry and linen, flowers, etc. can be reduced by 5 to 7%, which would result in an increase in the gross profit. Guest satisfaction index. This is the primary tool for gauging the performance of the service sector. It is that perfectly made comfortable bed, well appointed bath and indigenously maintained interiors which will make the guest experience memorable. This will lead to positive feedback and good reviews, minimizing complaints and understays, ensuring repeat clientele and ultimately increased revenue. Third, creating brand value. Besides contributing to the net profit after tax, effective housekeeping operation will lead to establishing a standard of the discerning guest. Thus, a brand value will be created for the product and services. This impeccable service by housekeeping will further promote the hotel and reduce the cost on advertising and promotion, thus increasing the profits. The tapping human resource potential. The prompt service and a minimum minutes per room MPR should be maintained, because of which the front office will be able to deal efficiently with overbooking, especially during the high occupancy periods. Make sure that the standard operating procedures SOPs are being followed. If the transition of rooms from dirty to vacant is swift, the check-ins will be faster, leading to smoother operations. Thus, room sales will be maximized. Fifth, curtailings the CTC. A fleet of happy employees who are delivering their best, who are motivating and feel satisfied will stay longer with any organization, which will reduce the cost of hiring new employees. If the attrition rate is low, the cost of hiring and further maintaining HR department will also further reduce. Using various technologies. In this technology driven era, hotels worldwide are using it for optimum results, from mobile check-ins to using QR code for unlocking the room door. Technology can be used in laundry in the form of digital machines which will minimize power and chemical consumption. The preferences of each guest can be stored digitally, like the room temperature preferred, and whenever the guest checks in, the desired setting can be automatically installed. Moreover, Special softwares are available, like the Edwardian Group London is currently using the OptiKeeper, which has innumerable features including flagging a room where cleaning is behind schedule and help is extended to the attendant, and hence neither the guest suffers nor the schedule. Such software have the ability to have an interface with any PMS, enhancing the longevity. Planned preventive maintenance daily, weekly, and monthly cleaning schedules. Timely upkeep of furnitures, fixtures, upholstery, linens, etc. Efficient housekeeping can increase the shelf life of the assets, ultimately increasing its value and reducing the costs. Using the guest intelligence. Planned preventive maintenance daily, weekly, and monthly cleaning schedules, timely upkeep of the furnitures, fixtures, upholstery, linens, etc. Efficient housekeeping can increase the shelf life of assets, ultimately increasing its value and reducing cost. Using guest intelligence. This is the detailed analysis of guest reviews, online feedbacks, and guest satisfaction surveys. Information can be widely available, but using it intelligently can be a challenge. By using guest interface, the guest satisfaction can be enhanced through training and motivating the staff members, handling complaints, and instilling the spirit of guest centric culture. This will ensure increase in the revenue. Then we can also go for the increasing the point of sale income. Housekeeping department can introduce new and innovative ideas to increase the sale of the guest laundry by adding that little extra value to the service. For example, the clean laundry can be packed in attractive boxes based on the theme of the hotel and returned promptly in minimal duration. Optimizing the resources and conserving environment by adhering to the global norms of conservation, preservation, solid waste management, energy efficiency, etc. Hotels will be able to not only perform the corporate responsibility but also sustainability. These green practices will optimize the operations, and by applying the reduce, reuse, recycle, the hotel will be able to bring down the HLP cost, thus increasing the revenue. Thank you.